Welcome back. Well, do you have dead concrete in the mixer drum of your truck? Do you want the 21st century solution? Look no further than ReadyJet, and I'm here with Scott. And Scott, I tell you, you really do have the solution. Makes so much sense, really reduces the work, more safety as well, and I tell you, this is the most efficient system. Tell us a little bit about it.
We are utilizing high pressure water to clean the inside of concrete ready mix drums. So instead of putting the guy in there for 100 years, doing it the antiquated, barbaric way of a man in there with a jackhammer, we use high pressure water. The man stands outside the drum and uses a wireless remote control. He drives a boom in with a cleaning nozzle, and as we retract the boom, it cuts the dead concrete out of the drum. No damage to the drum, no human entry, and it's real exciting. We've cleaned about 10,000 drums with the ReadyJet technology, and things are really taking off for us. We're real excited about it.
Just amazing, you know, and this is going to be actually a thorough cleaning than what we had before, and the outside shell of the truck isn't going to suffer any damage as well.
Yeah, the high pressure water doesn't damage the inside or outside of the drum. We're cutting everything on the inside of the drum, but there's no damage. The water actually gets behind the concrete, cuts the concrete off without any damage, so it works real well.
Now, Scott, this is really going to be a more thorough cleaning than the old archaic system. Is that right?
Yeah, it sure is. We're with the 20,000 PSI. We're basically putting the high pressure nozzle. It's driven by a 325 horsepower diesel engine, and when it hits the concrete, that concrete's coming out. And the machine actually cleans up to a cubic yard of concrete, which takes about an hour. We call that a service interval. It's a routine maintenance tool. So it's very quick, you know, and it's a lot better than putting the guy in there for 4 or 5 hours. The poor son of a gun in there jackhammering the inside of the inside of the drum with a jackhammer. It's just no place for a man to be in 2009.
Well, you know, I've seen examples, 4,000 pounds, 5,000 pounds of dead concrete coming out. Do you guys keep records? Do you have a top winner out there?
Yeah, well, I mean, the real case with the ReadyJet is we really don't want our customers cleaning what we call colossal buildups. A colossal buildup may be more than a cubic yard. We want our customers to keep their trucks clean, deliver better quality mixed concrete, clean their trucks more frequently, don't haul around the dead concrete. You know, obviously it takes fuel. It's fuel inefficient to do that, and it's hard on the truck carrying around that extra dead weight. So it's definitely the way to go.
Well, right now we're going to talk to somebody telling us how the nuts and bolts of this works and how worldwide ReadyJet really is. I want to thank you for being on, Scott.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Joining us right now is Jim Shedden, and Jim, as I understand, you are very integral in getting this developed across the nation, across the whole world.
Yes, actually, the ReadyJet now is in several continents around the world. We're in here in North America, both the U.S. and Canada. We have machines operating throughout Europe, the continent of Africa, Australia, and the Middle East.
So this must really be a great solution. And it really is. You know, you got high tech and then you got old world, what people were doing and some people still are doing. So this is just night and day, isn't it?
Yeah, actually we're changing a culture that's been around since as long as there's been ready mix trucks, so probably close to 90 years.
Just amazing. Now, how long has this been around?
Well, we began to develop in 2005. We went to market at the end of 06, so we really started gaining momentum in about 2007, where we won the Most Innovative Product Award here at this show. And so we're in about our third year of marketing and production.
And everybody, the light's going on and they're saying, we got to be doing this.
Well, people certainly do see it. It's very impressive once you've had an opportunity to see the ReadyJet in action. And everybody in the world has the same problem. They're putting men inside the drum, cleaning these trucks manually. So, this is putting an end to that.
And it's actually going to save time as well, cuts down on that time and the safety factor.
Yeah, it's a fraction of the time. A job that could take a day or two, we can do in a couple hours.
That is just amazing. Well, Jim, right now, I know you have to have the attention of all of our viewers. What's the best way for them to learn more about ReadyJet?
Well, they can look us up online at ready-jet.com.
That is easy enough. Well, Jim, thank you so much for being on.
Okay. Okay, you're very welcome. Thanks for having us.